Breakfast for my little angel. Preheat your pan. Cut up little smokies. Preheat your pan. With some oil. Oil's nice and hot. Put your little smokies in there. Perfect. I have it on low. Smells like breakfast already in here. Two eggs. Crack your eggs. Add salt. Just a little. Pepper, butter. Add a splash of milk because I see other people do it. Pour it in. After a certain point, I do turn off the pan because it just stays hot. You don't want to overcook scrambled eggs, although to some people this might be overcooked. To me, it's just fine. Angel loves it. No, pour it in. Breakfast scrambled eggs with some little smokies. I will cut up a few of these because my toddler loves fresh tomatoes. Some freshly cut tomatoes. He loves it. Let's put it on the side. He likes them just like this. Fresh. And he will eat all those before he digs into that. Breakfast for a toddler.